What volume will 0.5 gram of hydrogen gas occupy at STP, standard temperature and pressure? The atomic mass of hydrogen is given 1. 1 mole of any gas occupies 22.4 dm cube at STP. We have two methods we can use to solve this. Method 1 is by use of ideal gas equation, which states that PV equals nRT. This is the equation that governs ideal gases at standard temperature and pressure. So standard pressure there is 1 atmosphere. The volume is what is required. Number of mole is mass of hydrogen over molar mass. So if that is so, mass of hydrogen gas is given there 0.5 gram. Molar mass of hydrogen equals the atomic mass 1 times the atomicity 2. That is 2 grams per mole. Therefore, number of mole is the mass 0.5 over the molar mass 2, and that is 0.25 mole. This is the number of mole of the gas involved. Another thing we recognize there is molar gas constant, capital R. It is given as 0.0821 atmosphere dm cube per mole per Kelvin. And finally, the standard temperature, which is 273 Kelvin. So, having known all this, we now make V the subject of the formula. V equals nRT over T. nRT over P divided by P. The number of moles there is 0.25. The R there is 0.0821. T is 273 divided by pressure. Standard pressure is 1 atmosphere. So it's 1. Everything divided by 1. If you multiply this times this times this, you are going to get 5.60. Since it is volume, that is dm cube. And if you check, you see that the answer is there. Now, you can use another method, method 2. Use of principle. You use principle to solve it. And what is the principle? The principle is that, look at what was given. 1 mole of a gas occupies 22.4 dm cube at STP. This is an experimentally verifiable fact. It is known that 1 mole of any gas occupies this volume. Therefore, you can say that 1 mole, we first of all get the number of mole. The number of mole of hydrogen gas is the mass 0.5 over molar mass, which is 1 times 2, 0.25 mole. This is the number of mole. Now, you recall that 1 mole occupies 22.4 dm cube volume. Therefore, this particular mole, 0.25 mole, would occupy, let's say, x dm cube. You run the proportion by saying 22.4 over 1, 22.4 over 1 equals x, this x now, divided by 0.25. So x times 1 is x, 22.4 times 0.25. You are going to still get 5.60 dm cube.